Thanks, Jeff. Appreciate it. I also want to congratulate Mike Dooley and Engelberger Systems. It's some fantastic technology that they're bringing to market. I have a special place in my heart for what you're bringing to the table, so thank you for what you're doing, and congratulations. It really is a great honor to participate in tonight's ceremony, to introduce the 3 new Engelberger Award winners. This award is often referred to as the Nobel Prize of Robotics, since it honors those who have reached the pinnacle of success in our industry. So tonight, we begin the award for leadership. Our recipient tonight is Mike Jacobs, the founder and CEO of Applied Manufacturing Technologies, one of the industry's most successful systems integration companies, which launched in 1989. Prior to starting AMT, made very significant contributions in the success of GMF Robotics, which is called FANUC. He's also a pioneer in product development and the market introduction of robotic simulations and offline robotic programming tools. Throughout his career, he's found time to be active on several committees in the Robotic Industry Association, and ultimately serving as the chair of the association. And as an association member, he's played a key role in the strategic plan that culminated in the official launch of the A3 in 2021. He remains active today as a board member on the A3's Artificial Intelligence Strategy. So here's a brief video.
Applied Manufacturing